Another great feature of the Royal Cape Catamaran are the external engine bays, which are super easy to access with a nice ladder going down. So here we have the engine bay for the Majestic 530 or 570. Lots of storage space. The 80 or 110 horsepower Yanmar diesel engines, self-deploying fire extinguishers, fly-by-wire controls, and all the hydraulic lines which lead back to the rudder stock, which is bolted through into the aft bulkhead. Very simple system to bypass rudders, which is a straightforward manual system, so you can isolate each cylinder should you wish. Easy access to all of the strainers and your pumps, fresh water, salt water, and everything is all nicely laid out, labeled, so that you know which lines run to where. Secondary filters for the engines, primary filters on the engines, so that all of your fuel requirements are taken care of. And extra storage in the transom for extra jerry cans, garbage, whatever you'd prefer to store in there.